Hey there, church leaders. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 challenges churches face and giving you some practical solutions to tackle them head on. Ready? Let's go. First up, declining attendance. It's no secret that many churches are seeing fewer people in the pews. Solution focus on community engagement. Host events that bring people together outside of Sunday services like community dinners or volunteer projects. Create a welcoming environment where everyone feels like they belong. Next, we have financial struggles. Keeping the lights on and programs running can be tough. A great solution is to diversify your income. Think beyond tithes and offerings. Start a community thrift store, rent out your space, or even launch an online donation campaign. Get creative. Third, burnout among church staff and volunteers. It's all too common and can be devastating. Here's what you can do. Implement a culture of rest. Encourage regular breaks, provide mental health resources, and make sure your team knows it's okay to step back when needed. Healthy leaders lead healthy churches. Number 4. Adapting to technology. The digital age is here and it's not going anywhere. Embrace it. Invest in good quality live streaming equipment, create engaging social media content, and keep your website updated. Technology can help you reach more people than ever before. Lastly, generational divide. Bridging the gap between older and younger members can be tricky. Solution: foster intergenerational relationships, create opportunities for different age groups to serve and learn together. This can be through mentorship programs, mixed-age Bible study groups, or family-oriented events. There you have it, folks. 5 big challenges and practical solutions to help your church thrive. Remember, it's all about creating a supportive, welcoming, and innovative community. Keep pushing forward, and you'll see amazing results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other church leaders. Until next time, take care, and God bless.